Everybody that have chronic cough, maybe dry, maybe wet, maybe have the difficulty in respiration, even pain in the chest or pressure, or hearing the wheezing sound, or have the secretion from the inside of the lung, are related to group the disease. The name is asthma. Asthma or allergic lung disease, very close to rhinosinusitis. Even we talk one airways, one disease. Okay, the asthma or this inflammation of the lung may be sometimes high, sometimes low, maybe change with even your mood, your stomach situation, to the pollution, to the dust, to chemical agent, okay? Please not afraid about the name of asthma. Asthma is only one the name. Asthma maybe sometimes to be go, okay? Instead of the chronic bronchitis to be permanent. Why sometimes asthma not present in the body? But to be extend this time, this period, by use of the best education about the trigger factors, avoiding from the smoking, from the dust, from the pollution, from the stress and anxiety and the stomach problem. Use inhaler, not only lung inhaler but also nasal spray, and use of the normal saline for washing of your sinus area. Very, very important. With vaccination, the asthma can be completely cured. Welcome to this clinic.